Today we're diving into Fourthwall, a platform that claims to empower creators by providing a comprehensive store for selling products and services. But does it live up to the hype, or is it just another tool in a crowded market? Fourthwall aims to be a one-stop shop for creators looking to monetize their brand, offering features like customizable storefronts, digital product sales, and even membership options. The user interface feels intuitive, making it relatively easy for creators to set up their stores without needing extensive tech skills. You can sell everything from physical goods to digital downloads, which is a big plus if you have diverse offerings. One immediate standout is the integration with platforms like social media, allowing creators to promote their shops directly to their audience. However, while it sounds great in theory, some aspects feel underdeveloped. For example, the analytics tools could use more depth to help users understand their sales better. Also, I noticed there's limited information about payment processing fees, which is something potential users might want to scrutinize before jumping in. Overall, it feels promising but leaves some questions unanswered. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Fourthwall offers a sleek, user-friendly design that makes setup straightforward, which is fantastic for creators who are just starting out. The ability to sell a variety of products in one place is also a significant advantage. However, there are definitely some downsides to consider. The lack of detailed analytics and transparency around fees could frustrate serious sellers who need more insight into their performance. Additionally, some users might find the customization options a bit limited compared to other platforms. If you're a creator just starting out or looking for a simple way to sell merchandise, Fourthwall might be a good fit. But if you're aiming for more advanced features or deeper analytics, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Fourthwall has the potential to be a valuable tool for creators, especially those just starting their journey. However, if you're looking for something more robust with extensive features and transparent pricing, you might want to consider other platforms. Overall, it feels worth a try, but do your research first.